Choosing a window replacement company in Colombia is not a decision to take lightly. Windows not only impact your home's energy efficiency but also play a major role in comfort, curb appeal, and security. With so many local providers advertising similar services, it can be difficult to know who to trust. This guide walks you through the most important factors to consider so you can make a confident, informed decision. Start with local reputation. Begin your search by checking out companies that are well known in Colombia. Local reputation matters because it speaks to consistency and trustworthiness. Look for customer reviews on Google, Yelp, and BBB testimonials on the company's website. Word of mouth referrals from neighbors and friends. Companies with consistently positive feedback are more likely to deliver quality work and dependable service. Be wary of businesses with no online presence or many recent negative reviews. Verify licensing and insurance. Every reputable window replacement company in Colombia should carry a valid South Carolina contractor's license, general liability insurance, workers' compensation coverage. These aren't just formalities. They protect you from liability if something goes wrong during the installation. Ask to see proof and verify the license with local authorities. If a company hesitates or can't provide documentation, consider it a red flag. Evaluate product selection and quality. Not all windows are created equal. A quality company should offer a range of window types, including double hung, casement, bay, picture, and sliding window. Energy efficient options with ENERGY STAR certification. Multiple material choices like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood. Ask what brands they carry. Top-tier window manufacturers include Andersen, Pella, Marvin, and Simonton. A company that only offers one brand may have limited solutions for your specific needs. Check for in-house installation crew. Some companies subcontract installations to third parties. This can lead to inconsistent quality and less accountability. Instead, prioritize companies that use trained, in-house installers. These technicians are more likely to follow company protocols and maintain high standards. Bonus tip: ask about the certifications or training their installers undergo. The best companies invest in regular training for their teams. Compare warranties and guarantees. A trustworthy window company stands behind its products and workmanship. Ask about product warranties, often backed by the manufacturer. Installation or labor warranties, offered by the installer. Look for warranties that last at least 10 years for products and 2+ years for labor. Be sure to get these in writing. Request a transparent, written estimate. A reliable company will provide a free, no-obligation quote that includes detailed breakdown of window costs, labor and installation fees, cleanup and disposal charges, expected timeline for completion, and avoid companies that offer vague or verbal estimates. If a company pressures you into signing a contract on the spot, take a step back. High-pressure tactics are a red flag. Prioritize energy efficiency expertise. In Colombia's climate, choosing energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce your energy bills. Look for companies that recommend low-E glass and argon gas filters, understand U-factor and solar heat gain coefficient, SHGC, can explain how different materials affect insulation. A good contractor will help you understand how the windows perform and what energy savings to expect over time. Look for excellent customer service. From the first call to the final walkthrough, pay attention to how the company communicates. Great customer service includes prompt responses, friendly, professional staff, clear answers to your questions, a willingness to educate you, not just sell to you. A company that listens and supports you through the entire process is more likely to ensure your satisfaction. Final thoughts. Choosing the best window replacement company in Colombia comes down to doing your homework. Take time to research, ask questions, and compare multiple quotes. The right company will not only offer top-quality windows but also deliver peace of mind through professionalism, expertise, and outstanding service. Your home deserves windows that are built and installed to last. Make sure the company you choose meets that standard.